Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the secure step-by-step process of listing and successfully selling a game account on the G2G platform. Before you begin, ensure your account is completely unlinked from your personal phone number or social media profiles, and that the registered email address can be changed by the buyer. Log in to your verified seller account, navigate to the top dashboard menu, and click on Create Offer. Select the specific game, choose the Accounts category, and accurately input details like level, rare skins, or rank, making sure to avoid copying other sellers' descriptions. Set your price competitively and choose your delivery speed, keeping in mind that uploading screenshots of the account data page before delivery is vital for your transaction protection under Gamer Protect. Once a buyer purchases your offer, deliver the fresh login credentials exclusively through the secure G2G web chat system. Fill out the delivery form, and your funds will safely clear right into your seller wallet after the brief verification phase. Subscribe the channel for more videos.